In this video I will show you how can you include a image on your Wix website. So at first let me take a section from here. Let me take a new section, the blank section, and then I need to go to here, add element, and then from here I need to go to image and then upload and import. So here I have few more options that you can do. One is upload images, and when I will click on it, then I can see here multiple options from the left side. So if I want to upload any picture from my computer, then like as I want to include this iPhone, so let me include it, and then it will be upload from my desktop, and here I have my board as well. So you can categorize the image like as your boards. So like that way you can categorize your pictures like as one folder you want to keep like as your photography, street photography, and then animal photography. So you can categorize them here, and here is the trash. You mean those pictures or the files you will delete from here, then you may find them here. And here is the media from Wix. Wix offers some free stock photos, you may use them here. And like as I want to include this picture, let me just add to page, and then it will be on my sections, and I need to make sure this picture is integrated on this section. If I will move it on another section, and then if I want to move it here, then you can see here have an option attached to sections. So it's mean it has been integrated on this area, it will not move on any other area. And then let me go to again here, there have another option, and here is Wix, and then I can see here the Shutterstock. It's mean you may, if you want, you may use you may buy the premium pictures from here as well, and here have Unsplash as well, you can use those picture for free. And the most important feature is AI image creator. So like as I want tree in sky, let me click create image. We need to wait some time to generate the image. Tree in sky, it's mean the tree. And if I will explain it here the more organized way, then I can find what I need from here, and I can use this image on my website. So like that way you can create the AI image for free on Wix. And then if I will click upload media, here have some more other option. Here is my Wix account. It's mean your Wix is divided by different website. So if you want to use any other websites a picture on your current website, you may use them. Here you can see every website have a different folder. If I want to use another websites a picture on my current website, I can use them from here. And here is the Google Drive as well. I need to connect my Google Drive here, then I can include the Google Drive a picture to Wix. And here is the Facebook. If I want to use any Facebook images on my Wix website, I can use that. Instagram as well, Dropbox, Google Photos, Vimeo, Flickr, whatever you want to. Even link URL, any other picture if you want to use, you may use it here. So look like that way you can import the picture on your Wix website. And on the image have some more other options that we will see now. Okay, so here is the picture. If you want, you may change the image, you can edit the image. Let me click edit the image, then I can see here the photo studio. I can adjust the brightness, contrast, highlight, shadow, the saturation of the image, and I can include different filter from here that are already on Wix. If I want, I can include the filter on the picture. And here is the AI image editor. You may write any command here, then it will interact with the pictures. And here is the object eraser. If you want to remove any object from the picture, then you can erase it from here. And here is the cutout. You may auto cut out it from here. Let me click on it and let's see what happened. Auto cut out, the background has been removed. Okay, and here is the text. You may include any text over your picture. Okay, you may include the text over your picture from here. And here is the decorative. You may include a shape on the picture. You can see you can design it as well from here. I guess I want to include it here over the hand. Something look like that you can do. And here is the overlays as well. You may put the overlay on the picture and you may give it anywhere. And here is the background. I'm sorry. Okay, so look like that way you can work with the photo studio on Wix. Let me leave it. There have some other option. Here is the design. You may include a frame on it, like yes, here is the frame. If I will put there, I can see a border over it. And then here have like is the round, not yes, here is the round feature. So if I want to make it round, then before that I need to crop the picture. If I want to crop, then let me crop the picture at first with the square size. Let me put it look like that way and apply. And then I need to go here, design, and then I can use this one. It will work. Here you can see you are getting a circle image from here. And let me go back to the original image. And then here have the filter as well. You may add animation on the picture, like as when it will display on the website, how it will navigate. And you may link any picture. Here is the link. You may link it with any web address, any sections, top, bottom, document, email, phone number, and lightbox as well. Okay, so let me make it publish. And then let me go to the website and refresh it. Then you can see the animation is working on it. So look like that way you can navigate with images on Wix editor. Thank you so much.